Which of the following is the capital city of Bahrain? Manama, Baku, Lusaka, Nassau. The correct answer is Manama. Tar Heel State is the nickname for which U.S. state? North Carolina, Wisconsin, Virginia, Colorado. The correct answer is North Carolina. Which of the following characters is a recurring villain in the Mission Impossible series? Ilsa Faust, Jim Phelps, Luther Stickle, William Brandt. The correct answer is Jim Phelps. A blacksmith is a craftsman who mainly works with which metal? Copper, iron, silver, aluminum. The correct answer is iron. Which Italian car company became the majority owner of Chrysler? Ferrari, Fiat, Maserati, Lamborghini. The correct answer is Fiat. When a nurse checks a patient's radial pulse, which part of the body is being touched? Neck, wrist, chest, ankle. The correct answer is wrist. Which ancient civilization created the earliest known writing system called cuneiform? Egyptians, Sumerians, Babylonians, Persians. The correct answer is Sumerians. Which of the following countries has coastlines on both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans? Colombia, Brazil, Spain, Italy. The correct answer is Colombia. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is nitrogen. Who designed the Süleymani Mosque in Istanbul? Mimar Sinan, Bernard Couey, Razım Badran, Amakamash. The correct answer is Mimar Sinan. What is a butterfly called right after it hatches from its egg? Pupa, larva, chrysalis, nymph. The correct answer is larva. In Roman numerals, which number does XL stand for? 30, 40, 50, 60. The correct answer is 40. A straight angle measures how many degrees? 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. The correct answer is 180 degrees. Which continent is the smallest in the world? Europe, Australia, South America, Antarctica. The correct answer is Australia. Who holds the record for winning the most Olympic medals in history? Usain Bolt, Simone Biles, Michael Phelps, Carl Lewis. The correct answer is Michael Phelps.